Hi there, my name is Phin, and I will show you in the next few minutes all the new features that we've added to Zight 8.0. So first, let's look at this page here, zight.com/AI. These are a set of new features that we now have in beta that will add a bunch of different powers to your videos. So first, we're gonna add a transcript to your video. We recognize more than 50 different languages. So whether it's in French, Spanish, it all works. It's gonna add a title, a description, and the full transcript along with your videos. So this is great if you want to share a video, and it's much better than having like screen recording 2023 as the title. Um, Next, we released a new version of our Zite 8 for Mac and Chrome, which add the following features. So first, we refresh the interface. As you can see on the right, you have a few features that are available in Zite, which are color-coded, super easy to recognize. Whether it's in Chrome and Mac, it's going to always be the same. Um, so you can do screen recording, you can capture quick screenshot to send to your team for giving feedback on a website, for example, or capture a GIF, which is great if you're a support person to show a few steps to a customer. At the bottom, you can see your recent captures, and this is really a great, powerful feature of Zite that we don't want to remove, because you can see here that I have access to my recent captures, and I can quickly drag and drop them into a document, and they're always ready and available for me. So if you compare the old version versus the new version, we moved a few of the features out of the way that were unnecessary, but they're still there. So like, for example, the favorites and the collections are still there at the top. And with our new Zight AI, you can see that the titles used to be like screen recording 2023. Now the titles will be much more meaningful. So for example, here, Q1 2024 presentation. Later on, if you want to search for old videos, it's going to be much easier to find them. We also added a new feature that is for screenshots. So whenever you do a capture, let's say of this text that I want to send to a colleague, I can quickly do a capture with my shortcut Command-Shift-5. And on the bottom right, you can see a little preview of what I captured. This is great for two reasons. One, you can just select it and drag and drop it into anywhere. So it can be in a document here. I can go on Slack, and I can also drag the file here super easily after every capture. And the second reason is that I can still copy the link. I can click annotate or copy the content. By default, the link is still copied in your clipboard right away after you make a capture. So you can just also hit paste and have the link always ready. Next, in terms of new features, we added a restart video feature. This is great because we know that sometimes you just want to send a quick message. You don't want to spend time editing out some parts of a video. So you can just start recording, and if it doesn't feel right, you can have in one click on restart. Just wanted to remind you that we still have great editing capabilities that we added in 2023. So whenever you visit the link of a video, let me do it right here. So for example, this was another take of this demonstration. You can see on the right a little edit button that brings you to the video editing capabilities. So you can do a lot of great things like cropping the video, trimming it. You have also some filters that are available. We also refreshed a lot of parts of the app that got a bit complex over time. So the recording screen, for example, got much simpler. You have 3 different modes that are super easy to access. So full screen is great for full walkthroughs like I'm doing right now. Select region is great to show a specific part of a screen. So for example, it could be a bug report and you want to make sure that your engineering team knows exactly what you're talking about. And Calendly is great for video messages. So if you're someone working in sales, for example, doing outreach to your customer. Um, and as usual, you can quickly, change your webcam, change your camera. We also simplify the interface for GIF capture. And one that I'm really happy about is the screen selection page. So whenever you start a video recording or capture, you see this screen selection, which lets you do a few things. You can click once to capture full screen. You can click and drag to select an area. And there are a few features that a lot of our customers miss, which we made a bit more prominent. So you can hit space to select a window. This is really useful if you want your users to focus on a specific area of your screen. Or enter for last selection. So if you capture the same thing a few times in a row, this is really useful and helps you work much faster. So that's it for Zite 8.0. It's available for Chrome and Mac on our website, and we're gonna roll it out to all our users in the coming weeks. Let us know if you have any feedback at feedback@zite.com, and we'll be happy to help you.